Cattails and Texas sage are both observed in the quarry. They are an example of monocots versus dicots.
The scientific name of the Texas sage is Leucophyllum frestescens. It is a shrub that grows in terrible, rocky conditions from northern Mexico to the Rio Grande Plains in southwest Texas. They have a very high heat tolerance, which makes them perfect for the Texas climate.
They need full sun, but they don't need to be fertilized. However, alkaline soil is needed for them to grow. They grow at about 8 by 8 if you don't use harsh chemicals or forced blooms.
They bloom from summer to fall, and they are semi-evergreens. Their blooms can be white, magenta, or purple.
They are dicots, which means they have two cotyledons, branching veins, bundles of vascular tissues arranged in a ring, and their flowers have 4 or 5 petals.
Cattails.
Their scientific name is Typhilophodia. They are found in marshes, ponds, lakes, or rivers, similar to the quarry.
They can grow to be almost 10 feet. Cattails can reproduce by seed or rhizome.
The flower has 2 reproductive parts, a brown cylinder, the female part, and a yellow spike, the male part. The common cattail flowers from May to July. In early fall, the brown flower head pops open, letting fluffy seeds emerge. These seeds are carried by the wind or water to new places.
There are also hybrid species of cattails with broad leaves or narrow leaves, but they are more popular in the north.
Cattails provide protective cover and nesting area for animals and birds.
Cattails are also edible. Many people enjoy cattail pillows, pancakes, and breads. The largemouth bass eats bluegills, smaller sunfishes, crayfishes, minnows, and amphibians. The adult largemouth bass is usually 12 to 30 inches long. They usually live for 10 to 16 years depending on the environment. The breeding season starts in March and ends in late April. Females can lay 2,000 to 43,000 eggs at a time. After the female lays the eggs, the male chases her away and he guards the eggs until they hatch. Babies can be found in schools, but adults are found alone. They live in freshwater areas. They prefer to live in warm water. They are not usually found in water deeper than 18 feet. It is a species of the black bass, which is found in North America. It is olive green with dark markings. There are many different names like the big-mouth bass, open-mouth bass, green trout, and big-mouth trout.
The male red-winged blackbirds are solid black with the red patch on their shoulder. Females have a white line over their eyes, and the line continues down their back. The females look like a sparrow, but bigger and darker. The red-winged blackbird is one of the most common birds in North America. It is usually found on telephone wires, damp roadsides, and on top of cattails. They're found year-round in North America. In the summer, they go to Canada, where they breed. In winter, they go migrate to Mexico. They are seen in fall and spring in the quarry. The red-winged blackbirds eat insects. The male red-winged blackbird does not mate for life like other birds. 90% of the time, there is more than one female on the male's territory. The eggs that they lay are 2.2 to 2.7 centimeters long. The 2 types of protoses that live in the quarry are paramecium and dinoflagellates.
A paramecium is also called Ciliphora. Is a ciliate. It moves with cilia.
It is unicellular and reproduces by both binary fission, asexual, and sexual reproduction, which is conjugation.
Dinoflagellates also reproduce by both binary fission and conjugation.
Dinoflagellates are plant-like protists that move by flagella and get energy from photosynthesis.
Throughout the years, the water level has decreased. This is most likely because of the drought in recent years. The temperature of the water, on average, is 68. The pH is 4. In autumn, it is cold, sunny, windy, and dry. In winter, it is cold, cloudy, windy, and dry. In spring, it is hot, cloudy, still, and humid. In summer, it is hot, sunny, still, and dry. Throughout all the years, it has been mainly warm, dry, windy, and cloudy. Thank you for listening to our presentation on the quarry. We hope you enjoyed it.